Hello, everybody, and welcome back to another Mystery Box Function Challenge. In this purple mystery box, there is some math, and it will change the numbers you put in the top to something different as they come out the bottom. We'll keep track of those ins and outs in this chart and graph them as ordered pairs so you can see the shape that this mystery math makes. And your job is to figure out what that math is. You can pause the video and click on the link in the description to get to this page and try out as many numbers as you like. And then when you think you've got an idea, come on back, listen to the rest of the video, and see if I come up with the same thing. All right, let's begin with 0. And a 0 gives me 2, so maybe we're adding 2. And a 1 gives me a 1, so maybe this is a line with a slope of -1, so negative x plus 2, that could be. If that's the case, then if I put in 2, I should get 0. Definitely don't get 0 there. So this looks like a curve. So maybe this is an upside down parabola, and if so, I would get symmetrical points across the y-axis there. So let's put in a -1 and see if we get a 1. Oh, no, I do not get a 1 with -1. Let's try a -2. I think I have a hunch about this one. Yeah, so it looks to me like the curve gets steeper as it goes up and steeper as it goes down, and it flattens out in the middle. And if we put in, let's say, 1/2 and -1/2, maybe it'll show that flattening. Yeah, okay. So I think I know the basic function that this is coming from. To me, this looks like a cubic, right? Because you have those arms going up and down, and then it flattens. Well, if this was just x cubed, it would be on the origin. I think we've added 2 to it, although I think we may have done more than this. But I know we've got an x cubed in here somehow, or I think so. And it looks like it's raised 2 off the origin here, so probably a +2 there. I don't think this is it though, because if you put in, if you put in a 0, that would work. But if you put in a 1, 1 plus 2 is 3, and we got a 1. If you put in a 2, that would be 8 plus 2 would be 10, and we got -6. So we've got to get negative. Okay, I see it. And this goes up on the left and down on the right. In the basic cubic function, it's the opposite of that. It goes down on the left and up on the right. So I think this has just been flipped by making the whole thing negative. It's been turned upside down. So let's test a couple points. If I put 1 in here, 1 cubed is 1. So that'd be -1 plus 2 would be 1. That works. Let's try the 2. So a -2 cubed plus 2, that'd be -8 plus 2 would be -6. Okay, this is working. Let's see if we can plot or put in one more point. It might not show up in the graph. What if we put in a 3? That would be 3 cubed would be 27, and we'd have a negative in front of it, plus 2. So -27 plus 2. So if I put in a 3, I should get a -25. Let's try that. So 3, oops, turn off the pen. So 3, and I got a -25. Okay, I'm pretty sure that this negative x cubed plus 2 is our function. I'm going to reveal, and there we have it. Negative x cubed plus 2. We can look at the graph of that, and there's that lovely cubic graph with the flattening in the middle and the long arms stretching out to infinity. Well, how did that one go for you? I think that was pretty tricky. Sometimes it's hard to see the cubic function in the numbers when it's been translated, and especially when it's been flipped upside down. Did you get a clue from the shape, or did this one stump you? Let me know. Thanks, everybody.